Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, rear wheel drive, front disc rear drum brakes, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Your new ride is just a phone call away.